Hey everyone, let's have a look at Coinbase today. This is a story that I continue to see unfold, and actually we're getting a lot of questions on this. The thing is, when we look at a company like Coinbase, which is extremely closely tied in terms of its positive correlation to the price of Bitcoin and sort of the cryptocurrency revolution, if you will, Coinbase is just a derivative play on that, much like other stocks like Mara and whole bunch of others out there that I think a lot of people are aware of. But let's have a look at the absolute chart here of Coinbase, irrespective of what Bitcoin is doing. Again, it's the same chart, just again to answer some people's questions that we have been getting. So essentially what we're seeing here, just from a pure sort of trend following perspective, is actually a very orderly move. This is a stock that continues to have sort of these rallies and then consolidation phases. And so here's what that looks like. We see, again, rally, consolidation, rally, a little bit of chops here and there. It's a volatile stock, right? And then consolidation. And so, we're in a consolidation phase right now. We haven't broken higher. But again, that is going to be very much based on what Bitcoin does. And so when we look at this through the lens of our trend following model, which is using our market rover, you can see exactly that. You can see how this is a stock that it was bearish for a while and then finally became bullish, meaning it turned into a bullish trend. Let me show you that here. I'm going to try to get all this stuff sorted better so you can see the screen as good as possible. So we turned this into a bullish trend. That's the green background color. That's what our algorithm does. Our indicator, if you will, became a long at 57. The stock is now, as I'm recording this, somewhere around the 230s. It was as high as 280-ish. So what's important to me is that we have a stock that acts orderly, meaning there's some sort of a rhythm to it. And so you can see, since we've been in this green background color, that's the bullish trend, which it remains in, we get these bursts, so these buy signals from a trading perspective. We got one a few weeks ago. It remains valid at this point. But again, it really is all predicated on what Bitcoin does. Once, if and when, I should say, Bitcoin has another move higher, Coinbase will probably pretty quickly go to 280. That'll kind of be the target there. And this is really the reason I'm bringing this up here as well, because I think one of the things that I really believe in is having a process that's repeatable and that holds us to a very simple principle of not fighting trends. If we can not fight trends, it really helps us, it goes a very long way. And so what I'd like to show you this week, we're doing a special session. Among other things, we'll look at Coinbase and look at our algorithm, how we can trade and invest with the tailwind at our backs, as opposed to, fighting the market. And so I'll show you that here this week. Make sure you bring some tickers. We're going to look at Coinbase, among other things. And I look forward to see you in this special research call this week.